Mitosis by Lucy McMurray and Ryan Ament.
Mitosis.
Mitosis.
What is mitosis?
What is mitosis? Mitosis is the process by which two daughter cells are formed, each containing a complete set of chromosomes, when in need of more cells. So basically it's just like copying itself. What would trigger it? When cells are damaged or the body's organisms is growing, it needs to build more cells in order to fix it. But yeah, that's it.
Does it happen in cells?
Does it happen in cells? Yes. Mitosis makes up stages that cells undergo.
Well, you're just running towards the camera.
Prophase.
Prophase, the first phase of mitosis. During prophase, the first and longest phase of mitosis, the long string of chromatin coils up into visible chromosomes. As you can see, each duplicated chromosome is made up of two halves. Two halves of the structure are called sister chromatids. Sister chromatids and the DNA they contain are exact copies of each other and are formed when DNA is copied during interphase. Sister chromatids are held together by a structure called centromere, which plays a role in chromosome movement during mitosis. By their characteristic location, centromeres also help scientists identify and study chromosomes. As prophase continues, the nucleus begins to disappear and the nuclear envelope and the nucleus disintegrates. By the late prophase, these structures are completely absent. In animal cells, two important pairs of structures, the centrioles, begin to migrate to opposite ends of the cell. Centrioles are small, dark, cylindrical structures that are made by microtubules and are located just outside the nucleus as shown. Centrioles play a role in chromatid separation. As the pairs of centrioles move to opposite ends of the cell, another important structure called the spindle begins to form between them. Like spindles, a football-shaped cage-like structure consisting of thin fibers made of microtubules. In plant cells, when the spindles forms without centrioles, spindle fibers play a vital role in the separation of sister chromatids during mitosis.
Metaphase.
A note from Ryan. During metaphase, the short second phase of mitosis, the double chromosomes become attached to the spindle fibers by their centromeres. The chromosomes are pulled by the spindle fibers and begin to line up on the midline or equator of the spindle. Each sister chromatid is attached to its own spindle fiber. One sister chromatid spindle fiber extends to one pole, and others extends to the opposite pole. This arrangement is important because it ensures that each new cell receives an identical and complete set of chromosomes. And this is a spindle, this green thing right here.
Anaphase.
Separation of sister chromatids marks the beginning of anaphase, the third phase of mitosis.
Circle anaphase.
Anaphase. During anaphase, the centromeres split apart and chromatid pairs from each chromosome separate from each other. The chromatids are pulled apart by the shortening of the microtubules in the spindle fibers. I'm pretty sure these are the spindle fibers.
Telophase.
Telophase, the fourth phase of mitosis. The final phase of mitosis is Telophase. Dun 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 dun! Telophase! Telophase begins as the chromatids reach the opposite poles of the cell. During telophase, many of the changes that occurred during prophase are reversed, as the new cells prepare for their own independent existence. Chromosomes, which had been tightly coiled since the end of the prophase, now unwind so they can begin to direct the metabolic activities of the new cells. The spindle, right there, begins to break down. The nucleolus reappears and new nuclear envelope forms around each set of chromosomes. Finally, a new double membrane begins to form between the two new nuclei. Wait, don't stop me. Mitosis.
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 Bloopers.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Now everybody wants a blast of magic, 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 oh.
Just get here and say mitosis. Oh, there's Taco Casa in here. Okay, what is mitosis? Mitosis is the process by which two donor cells are formed, each containing a complete set of chromosomes. When in need of more cells. So basically it's just copying itself. Now what would trigger it? When cells are changed, or... I hate your writing!
So call me Mr. Magic Man, I float on cloud nine.
I got the magic in me.
I hope you liked our video.
Yes, it turns to gold.
Everybody knows I got the magic in